Okay, here's just a demonstration of problem number 9. This is number 9 on the back. Number 10 will be just like it, so you can copy this onto your paper. So first of all, it says there's a triangle XYZ, the big one, right? This XYZ is a right triangle, and the segment XA is the altitude. Okay, so if you know that's the altitude, I don't know if you remember that from, like, if you can twist your head upside down from X to A, if this was the top of the triangle right here, okay, what it goes down to this side opposite, these two angles will be right triangles, okay, just back from your altitude that we did last semester. And this big one here is also right. So what you have is the same thing you've been having on the front side there. We're just going to label this, okay? So label your triangle, draw it out like this, draw the right angles on there, and it tells you that XA, so this from here to here, is 12 long, so you know that's 12. And from YA, which is here to here, okay, YA to AZ, which is here to here, has a ratio of 2 to 3. So they don't tell you exactly the sides, but they tell you the ratio or the proportion or the fraction between those two sides. So here's all you need to do to do that is just label that for these. Okay, that will be 2 to 3, but we don't know that it's exactly 2 there. We just know that this side divided by that side over there will be 2 to 3. So 2 times some number and 3 times some number. So whatever they are. So you just put an X there basically. So just 2X on one and 3X on the other one there. Okay. So now they want you to find the lengths of this YA and AZ. That's what they want you to find. So you need to just find X there. Okay, so if we set up our triangles, we have the small, the medium, and the large. Let's do the small one. The small one would be this one right here. Okay. So what do we know? We know that this is the short leg right here. And we know that this one is the long leg right here, and that's the hypotenuse over there. So this is the short leg right there. Let me get rid of all of those things. So just label it short leg right there. Long leg is that 12 right there. Okay. And then we have a medium triangle right here. So on this one, we know that this is now, it's hard to see with this triangle because it's not very obvious, but you'll just have to take my word for it. That's why I'm helping you out on this one. This is now the short leg, and this is the longer leg here. Okay. Okay, so we'll just write that down. So the short leg is now 12 on the medium, and the longer leg is now this. Hey, what's that going on there? Okay. All right. Well, now you've already got two triangles with two of the same sides, short leg and long leg, and only one variable on each of them. So we don't even have to worry about this guy over here. You can just forget about that. We have all we need to set up our proportion there. So we're going to do the small triangle to the medium triangle and just short leg over long leg on both of them. Okay, so on the small triangle, short leg divided by long leg on the small triangle is equal to short leg on the medium sized triangle divided by the long leg of that. Short leg over long leg equals short leg over long leg. Okay, do your cross multiply. Okay, so you get 12 times 12 is equal to 2x times 3x. So 12 times 12, I might just leave that there. I don't know. Just see what happens there, is equal to 2 times 3 is 6, and x times x is x squared. Okay, so let's now just get the x's by itself by dividing by 6, right? That's 6 times x squared, so we'll do the opposite, which is divide by 6. Okay. Stick that in your calculator. Let's see. Those two go away right there. 12, this part 12 divided by 6 is 2. Okay, times 12 equals x squared. All right, so 2 times 12 is 24, is equal to x squared. This is not that hard. It's just maybe a little bit longer. And then to undo the squared, you just take the square root of both sides. So the square root and the square will cancel out, leaving you with the x. Square root of 24. Okay, I'm going to do that. X equals square root of 24. So let's just factor that out. 24 is the same as 4 times 6. Okay, 4 is the same as 2 times 2, and 6 is the same as 2 times 3. Here is a pair of 2s, so that can come outside here. So x is equal to 2 times the square root, and then you're left with 2 times 3, which is 6. And that is your answer there, okay? So if you want to go back up here, if x is equal to 2 root 6, again, you can pause any time here if this is too fast, right? We'll just go up here, and everywhere there's an x, we'll put in 2 root 6. So this length here, xa, is equal to 2 times 2 root 6, which would equal 4 root 6. And this one here, a to z, would equal to 3 times 2 root 6. And 3 times 2 is 6, so it's just 6 root 6 right there. And there are your two answers. The next one is exactly the same. Okay, there you go. Thank you very much.